Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create a lead generation funnel in Systeme.io quickly and easily. First, log into your Systeme.io account. From the dashboard, click Funnels. Now click Create, enter a name for your funnel, such as Lead Generation Funnel. Choose the Build an Audience goal and click Create. Systeme.io will automatically create the basic funnel structure. Open the opt-in page and click Edit Page. Choose a landing page template that matches your business. Add a strong headline explaining the benefit visitors will receive when they subscribe. Include a short description about your free offer, such as a guide, checklist, webinar, or template. Next, customize the opt-in form to collect names and email addresses. Update the call to action button with text like, "Get a free guide," or "Download now." Then edit the thank you page to confirm the subscription and tell visitors what happens next. Connect the form to an email campaign so new subscribers automatically receive your lead magnet and future follow-up emails. Click Save Changes. Before publishing, test the funnel to make sure the form, thank you page, and email automation all work correctly. That's it. You've successfully created a lead generation funnel in Systeme.io. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the channel for more quick Systeme.io tutorials, software guides, and online business tips.